So it's time for some mini honest reviews. It's time for a to buy or not to buy video. Number one is my Instant Pot. Now you guys know my best friend Nandini gifted me this for my birthday. It isn't something I would have normally reviewed or bought, but it is amazing. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys a bit about it first. So it is basically an electric pressure cooker, which is amazing for a person like me that has never used a normal stove wala cooker, because I'm always petrified that it's going to explode. I don't know why, but I've never learned how to use it, never used it. So whenever I had to do meat and stuff, the meat had to be pressure cooked before, if you've seen in my vlogs also, and then I used to add it in put my masala and whatever. So this is amazing because you just put everything into the pot and it cooks together. And I've been making my goulash. I've made a masaman curry and it has been amazing. So it comes, I think, in two sizes, a 3 liter and a 5 liter. I have the 3 liter one, which is amazing. You can cook for up to 4 people in that, and it makes a nice big portion, which is really good. It has all these different settings on it where, you can make rice, you can make the Korean rice cooker you see in the K-dramas, kind of like that. You can make rice, you can make idlis, you can make stew, you can make soup, you can saute stuff. It has all these settings. And the best part is the website and the app have a zillion recipes. So if you download the app, it will give you a recipe for the Instant Pot, how to cook it in the Instant Pot. So you're not lost, how to convert a stove recipe to this. So for me, this has been amazing because it's faster than a normal cooker. So things happen really quickly. Secondly, you don't have to stand and watch it when you put stuff on the stove, right? Cooking used to take so much time and my whole evening used to go on doing that when Chef Sherry had to come out. This way, I just dump everything into the pot, just start it with whatever setting I want, whether it's a stew, whether it's soup, whatever. And that's it. You just leave it, So it's really, really easy to cook for people like me who don't like to cook, who can't cook. And honestly, I feel it's something I would have never thought of buying, but I'm so grateful that my friend thought this would be amazing for me because she knows my struggles with cooking. It has really changed my life. I'm gonna say to buy. Number 2 is another strange Amazon buy. It is a dog seat cover. I never thought this thing even existed. I didn't know. My whole life I went with a chadar. We used to put a chadar if we had to. Our dogs anyways were allowed in our car and whatever. But if I was in someone else's car or cab, I would put a chadar or a towel and then take my dog. But there's something called a dog car seat, which I found on Amazon, which is amazing. Also, it's just started pouring, so you might hear the rain in this video. So enjoy free rain. At least the sound of rain, if not actual rain, wherever you are in the world. So yeah, basically, we've started going home for the weekends and we take Mars with us, and Rebev is a real clean freak when it comes to his car and his house and everything. And his car doesn't really have seat covers, it has the original covers. So the hair used to get stuck in the covers, even through the sheets, and he doesn't really love the sheets on the cover. He's oh, it looks so terrible, it looks so ugly. So I randomly did a Google search and I found this on Amazon. It is amazing. So it's a whole, thing that covers the whole back seat, and it comes with the clips that go over the headrest. So you can just clip it and remove it in 2 seconds. Really convenient. And it's actually really safe for the dog as well. Now, what I love is the middle mesh part. So a dog like Mars loves to stand in the middle and, look between the 2 people sitting in front, which is actually quite dangerous because if the person breaks, the dog will come flying forward. Or if you, were to meet with an accident, there's nothing holding the dog back, which is always scary. So I used to always put my arm like this and be go back, because he doesn't like to sit by the window. He likes to come forward. So this is amazing because it protects your dog, doesn't let your dog come forward if there's a jerk or anything, which is what I really loved about it. Also, in addition to obviously it being a seat cover, and it just folds up really easily and you just use it. We've been using it now, I think, for a few weeks, and it's been really, really amazing. So this is about 1600 rupees, found it randomly on Amazon. It can be washed. So far, it's been really durable, sturdy, all of that. And it looks great as well in the car. So I would definitely recommend it if you are a pet parent and your pet is always in your car. get the seat cover. So I'm gonna say to buy. Up next, we have this guy. So this is a Prestige grill pan. It's more like a pan that you can hit someone on the head with because it is quite useless. So I bought this after being really impressed with my wok. You guys know I loved my Prestige wok, loved how it was. I bought this grill pan to actually do, because of the lines, you know, like I see all these videos of people grilling stuff, making grilled cheese sandwiches or just general like grilling meat and stuff, and the lines like pop like, you know, like a grill on your stuff. With this, the lines almost never show because I think they're not that prominent, like they're not that thick. They are just very like halka, like superficial lines. Secondly, I feel like everything burns in this, okay? Like, you know, normally when you have a non-stick frying pan, things don't really burn. But in this, somehow everything just ends up burning. Like, I don't know, like whether it's chicken, whether it's a grilled cheese, everything is like that burnt, toasty vibe. It's not very expensive. It was about 1,090, so I guess like around 1,100. So I don't know why I had great expectations from this, but my wok was amazing. I just like hit myself on the head with this. As I said, that's the use of this on the brow rather. But the pan is like, why did you say that about me? But I'm gonna say not to buy at the risk of being hit by the pan again. Didn't work for me. Okay, last but definitely not the least, we have our new Morphy Richards coffee maker. So a lot of you have been asking me about this guy after you saw it in my last vlog. If you haven't watched the vlog, I will link it wherever, idhar udhar kidhar. Watch it. This was my birthday gift to Weber for his birthday. We've had it for I think 2-3 weeks now. It is absolutely amazing. Makes like super killer coffee. I'm not even a coffee person, like I'm a chai person, you guys know that, but I love a good cappuccino, and the machine makes espressos, cappuccinos, all kinds of coffee. And my favorite part is the milk frother. So it has the frothing thing where you can do the shh, and it just is amazing, right? To have a cappuccino at home feels like, oh wow, this is really cool. There are a few reasons why I like it. Number one, really compact and small. We have a small kitchen. We don't have a lot of space. So I didn't want to get something really big because obviously we don't have the space for that. Number two, it's really affordable. It's about 4,500 rupees, which is great for a coffee maker. Not really expensive. So if you're looking to like get into it and start with, you know, experimenting, learning how to make your own coffee, all of that, this is a great option for that. Number three, it is great for beginners. So if you're someone that's starting out, like we figured out the machine in one go. Like we just tried once, following the instructions, watched a video online, and we could make a cappuccino, which is pretty amazing, right? And the more you fiddle with it, the better you get, obviously. And I mean, knowing Weber, he's going to be like a barista soon, I'm guessing, because that's how it goes, right? Like he doodles and then he becomes an artist, and then randomly makes coffee and he's going to become a barista. So moving on, the machine makes amazing coffee. Actually, Weber does, but I mean, the machine is really good as well. So I'm going to say to buy. So that's it from me, guys. These are all the reviews I'm doing today. This turned into quite a kitchen stuff, like thingamajig review, right? Like there was only one non-kitchen item. Like I have become Scary Chef Sherry, guys. Like Scary Chef Sherry is not like an avatar of me now. I am that person. I'm a person that buys kitchen things. When did this happen? So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Also comment below with other products or services that you guys want me to review. I'm always on the lookout to buy new things and random things at that, because I love to try new random things and review them for you. So leave those in the comments and I will see you guys soon. Bye!